I was struggling with the conversion in my master classes. Though I was able to generate multiple leads, though I was able to, with the help of WhatsApp automation and other automations, number of people show up increased, but I was having problem in conversion. But during the masterclass, and I was unable to find out that what is not there, because I was delivering values, I was adding more values. Every people was doing wow, 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 but nobody was taking my course, or maybe there was a very little, like 2 to 3% of conversion from one master classes. And once I came to know Sanjeet Grow Today online, he has given me some tips on how I should change the format of my presentation during my master classes, from how to what and why. Okay, so that was the clear instruction from him, that remove all the how to do, and how you can do all these tools, use all these tools, how to produce this, remove all those part and add more and more what and why. Okay, so and that act like a magic. The first masterclass where I have changed, after almost 20-25 masterclasses, when I changed this format in a single night, I sat and I changed entire 80-90 deck of my slides, and I did a changes, like incorporating the beats and all, and how to tackle with those, and why people should do this, or what they should do, right? Like why and what. And you won't believe that I got result immediately on my next masterclass. I got a conversion rate of 8%. It directly jumped in by 5% more conversion. And not only that, even after masterclasses, I started receiving calls next day and next day that people wanted to join. Okay. And hi, I am Shomali Sinha. I am an architect, author, and academician, and I am a digital design and AI coach. I teach AI in interior design, and working on a mission to transform 1 lakh creative people's life into their money-making profession from their creativity and their passion. So Sanjit helped me a lot in this, in specifically in my conversion. And now Sanjit is also working on the lead generation part. I can tell you one thing, that you can trust his script. And not only that, in the landing page, whatever VSL I have added, whatever advertisement, video advertisement, whatever content I had to go with for this entire campaign for my master classes, that is given by Sanjeet, and I can now really trust on him. And thank you, Sanjeet. Thank you very much. I trust you, and people should trust on you, because you have shown that how it can be taken from 2 to 3% to 8% conversion during a masterclass online. Thank you very much. Thank you. Bye bye.